Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing quick update on the Dogecoin. You can see we're still got the overhead resistance on this beautiful early September, early autumn, sunny, dew point in the upper 50s, the temperature around 63 degrees. This morning we got upper resistance at 30 cents, lower support. Now it's uptrending and we've moved another day, so it's up to 0.3011. You can see we've been bouncing off the 50 and the 100-day moving average right here in the blue and red respectively. And as we zoom out a little bit, in super simple, easy ways to trade this market, right? You can see we've had a high once, twice, 3 times at the same level, about the 30-cent level. Then we've crashed, lower support once, twice, 3, 4, 5, or a conglomerate right here on an uptrending support, started at about 28 cents, and the most recent one's been about 29.2967-ish, and with our industry exclusive overting, subverting, diagnose, sniffing out, and detecting the pattern, we think we're in a ascending triangle, and the breakout of an ascending triangle with our industry exclusive drawing tool would be right here. Right at about, 34 cents. So once again, in a quick recap with our perching tool, we're going to perch from high above, right up here, Dogecoin, the time, the price action, and the volume, right? It's the price, the volume, the candlesticks, the pattern right here, upper resistance, 30 cents, horizontal, 1, 2, 3, uptrending support, now at 30, just over 30 cents, 1 whole conglomerate, 2 and 3 of an uptrending support, 50, 100, and 200-day moving average, exponential moving averages down the bottom, bullish if we're above the green, and you can see we hit out the green once, and we've hit out the red once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, right? So if we pump back up here, your next logical spot to get rejected would be that 30-cent level again. But if you can break out of that and get any kind of volume, this is your upper target of an ascending triangle, right? As we know, we've broken out of a falling channel after we broke out down out of a rising wedge. And now we often like to retest these rising wedges, just like Bitcoin did. Litecoin to the extreme did, where Litecoin not only retested, it shot way up back into the channel, right? But we got to see if we break out of this. We think we're going to break up out of this in a probability-based way. Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, the probability say you're going to break up. But if you do, oh yes, if you do break down, Vincenzo's is going to give you the target. If you break below that 200-day moving average, you're going to come down and retest the falling channel you just broke out of, the local falling channel in the 45-minute time frame, and you would retest that, and it would look something like this. Boom. And then you would retest, and you could either pop back up, or you would fall back in to your falling channel and continue your descent out of your rising wedge, where we know our price target on that eventually is down there at about 16.5 cents, or the bottom of the get my shit together box, last line of defense before the shit house, right? But before we go down there, if we break up out of this ascending triangle in a probability-based way, it says it should break up more than it breaks down, but it can still break down. But if it breaks up, you go to 34 cents. If you go down, you go to 27 cents. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. And I believe we had a XDC alert from one of our valued customers. Like, subscribers, get your fucking shit together. Get me some more subscribers. We're stagnant in the 520-ish range. You got to do your job so I can do my job, or we're going to do less of my job if you can't get your fucking shit together, right? XDC, you can see we're starting to come down. We were in that rising wedge the last time we looked at it. You see that? We circled this because we said we were going to come down to that. Now we're already there, so we can take out that. If we zoom up, you can see after this pump, we pumped in this rising wedge. Same thing, the quant is in, but quant went way up there and broke to the upside, which is always possible. They're just more likely to break down than to break up. And you can see now what's likely to happen is you come down and retest this, and then you can try to come back up, right? If you can hold this underneath support at about the 11-cent level. You hold that, you bounce back up, and then you can come way up there. Or if you fall and you can't hold that, you're going to fall back into this wedge until it ends, where you got your lower support at about 0.09 cents. Fuck is this? I don't know. Oh, fuck. You got your lower support at 9 cents. Oh, fuck, we'll just delete that now too. And if you want to pump up and you got your lower support, your initial lower support at 11 cents, but then if you break down the lower support in the rising, or the channel that you broke out of, or the pennant, is 0.090 cents. But if you break up, you could easily come for an all and glowing, enticing jabroni double top right here, and then maybe break out farther to the upside. We'll keep an eye on that. Just like Quant. People keep asking about this coin, and you can see Quant's actually breaking up out of this rising wedge, which are possible. You see a huge rising wedge right there, and now we're peaking out, and that's what we've been in for a long time. And we said it could go up, and we had our high price target at $252. Now, question for Quant: is this a breakout to the upside where our arrow was, where we showed you a $340 price target, or is this a fake out where we drop back into this channel and then crash down? We're going to keep an eye on that for you. Like, subscribe, and share. Once again, after the 20th of October, all fan mail will be tossed. Once again, I'm extremely busy. All fan mail after the 20th of October will be tossed. I say that with peace and love, peace and love.